This video is going to show you how to make cookies and cream fudge. First, you need 24 ounces of white chocolate chips. You need 14 ounces of condensed milk. And I have 2 containers of mini cookies, vanilla and chocolate. So I put the cookies on a parchment lined cookie sheet. Okay, we're going to have our burner on medium heat. We're going to have a pan that is non-stick with our white chips in it, and then we're going to put our condensed milk in. This is a fun, easy fudge to make. Kids really love it because it has cookies in it. Then stir the chips into the milk. Have your burner on medium. It only takes a couple minutes to start melting. See how it's starting already? You can see it starting to melt already, just a little bit. This takes about 5 minutes. See how it's starting to melt? Just want to keep stirring it so it doesn't burn. Keep your heat on medium. Want to make sure all the chips are melted. You don't want any little lumps in your fudge. Then we're going to dump this over top our cookies that are in our cookie sheet. You can use any kind of cookie that's like this, any flavor. They make all different kinds. They have birthday cake flavor, peanut butter flavor, all kinds. I'm just using the chocolate and the vanilla. And you just lay them out on the pan. And once it's nice and creamy, turn the heat off. Just dump it on top of the cookies. Now you want to kind of smooth it over so everything's covered and you have a nice square edge to your fudge. Once you get your fudge all spread out over top your cookies, then we're going to let it cool. You can let it cool at room temperature, or to do it in about 20 minutes, we put it in the refrigerator. Before your fudge gets too set up, go around the sides and make it nice and square. So that all the cookies are inside the chocolate. Just work it around. Just work it around so your fudge will be nice and square. You can put this in a high-sided pan if you want, but I find it's a lot harder to get out. This way, once it sets up, all you do is flip it over, take the parchment paper off, cut it, and you're ready to go. If you put it in a pan, sometimes it's hard to get out of that pan. Once your fudge has set up, we cut it. Just use a pizza cutter. Once you get it cut, these are the chocolate and white chocolate cookies. These are the vanilla cookies with the white chocolate. I hope you enjoy my cookies and cream fudge recipe. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Again, this is cookies and cream white chocolate fudge.